Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study business in one day using an easy method. First, identify the fundamental pillars of business: marketing, finance, and operations. Dedicate a few hours to each, focusing on the most critical concepts. Use a structured approach to maximize your limited time. This method helps you grasp the essentials without feeling overwhelmed, making your study session highly productive and efficient. For marketing, concentrate on the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. In finance, familiarize yourself with income statements and balance sheets, understanding how they reflect a company's health. When studying operations, focus on how businesses produce goods or services efficiently. This targeted approach ensures you cover the most impactful areas of business knowledge. To truly absorb the information, engage in active recall. After reading a section, try to explain it aloud without looking at your notes. Craft short summaries or flashcards for rapid review of key terms and formulas. Relating concepts to real-world companies or scenarios will solidify your understanding and make the material more memorable. This active engagement is crucial for one-day learning. Before concluding your study day, dedicate time to a comprehensive review of all your notes and flashcards. Try to solve a few simple business case studies to apply what you've learned, reinforcing your understanding. Remember, consistent effort, even for one day, yields results. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.